Well. So, I was once again browsing on eBay, looking for some deals, and I managed to find this. This isn't your typical phone lot, this is phone parts lot. So, this doesn't contain any phones, but it contains phone parts. I managed to snag this up on eBay for around 20 euros, so let's see what we've got. Okay, at first we have this some sort of display for Samsung phone. It looks to be unused, and I'd say it is original service pack. If you look, it contains the ear speaker, the loudspeaker, and I would say here I can see it is for A13 LTE, and it looks to be completely fine, so I will put it aside and we'll see what we've got next. This one though looks to be the exact same display, but it has some sort of stamp. Let's hope it works. Alright. Then we have some sort of battery. I can see this battery is for SE 2016 and it looks to be fine, but it doesn't seem to be high quality. The next battery we have on the list is for iPhone 6. I'd say it's the same brand. This battery looks like, I'd say it is definitely aftermarket battery. I'd say it's for Samsung S20 FE. I'm saying this from top of my mind, but I'm really not sure. So, who knows? Oh, we have even written what's here. This display should be for A13 5G, but I am not really sure it is for Samsung phone. That's definitely not for Samsung. It looks to be some sort of Xiaomi or something. So, who really knows? Yeah, this definitely isn't Samsung, that's Xiaomi. That has to be Xiaomi. Okay, we have another display. This looks to be exact same as the previous displays. Oh, and I see right here a stamp that it is for A13 5G. So it is different than the two previous Samsung displays, but it also looks to be in a brand new condition. If I just peel this sticker, yeah, that's definitely unused. So far we've definitely got our value back, and let's see what's in here. If you see these packages with SVC, SEVT, usually Samsung ships their original service pack in these. What is this display? I am not sure if it is original display. It is some sort of OLED display. You can really tell from just looking at the borders. It's OLED display, but I don't know for which phone. I'd say it's for Samsung, but who knows? And oh, I've got two of them, it looks like. Yeah, it's definitely OLED display, and I don't really know for which model it is. I will maybe search it later. But if this stamp is correct, it's for A52 5G. I'm really not sure with these names. Okay, here we have another Samsung batteries. Okay. These are, I would say, these are definitely original batteries. And if I had to say why, do you see this sticker? You can peel this, and also you can peel this. Usually if you buy aftermarket batteries, they don't come with the adhesive on the back. Sometimes they come with the protective sticker on the front, but that's usually about it. But I don't really like this tape. This tape is throwing me off. I am not sure right now if it is original battery. Okay, we've got two of them, and I think these are the same models. Yeah, it seems to be the same model. Let's see what we've got next. Some sort of protective pack and display for some kind of iPhone. It looks to be iPhone 8 Plus. Yeah, that's definitely 8 Plus or 7 Plus. Yeah, and it's even written right here, 7 Plus. I can tell by the flex cables, but this is some sort of a cheap copy. I have worked with these displays in past, they are not good quality. Okay, here we have another battery. Again, I can tell it's for a Samsung phone because of the EB G75. That's definitely for Samsung, but I don't know which model. And here we have another Samsung service pack, it seems. Oh, this is for the... I know this model, but I can't remember the name. It is really cheap. It's definitely unused. It even has the camera protective sticker. It's definitely original. I can tell just by the looks of it. Okay, what's this? Again, I can tell that it is display and it is for iPhone 7 Plus, but I don't really like this. Alright, here we have another battery, and the seller even wrote what phone is it for. It's for A34 5G. That's great, and it seems to be original service pack, brand new, never used. That's super great. Just this whole battery, the original one, costs about 30 euros. We've definitely got a bargain right there. Okay, this, judging by this sticker, I can tell that it is battery for Samsung A51. And the manufacture date isn't even that old, it's from April. How does it look? It looks fine. I guess I was wrong, I'd say it is fake battery. Here we have another battery. But this one is looking pretty rough. If you look at the corners, right there, it's seen better days. Here it is some like puncture or something, I don't really know. Another two iPhone batteries, one for 6S and another one for 7 Plus. And it's even equipped with adhesive on the back. We have another display. This one is definitely OLED display, but I don't really know for which phone is it. I would say that it is aftermarket panel, but it is unused. Here we have another display. This is for iPhone 6. The seller wrote it right here. And it's another cheap Chinese copy, nothing fancy. Another iPhone battery. I'd say this one is from, judging by the connector, it is for either 6 Plus or 6S Plus or 7 Plus. Oh, and it's literally written right here, I didn't see it. And this is some sort of Xiaomi battery. Yeah, it's definitely battery for some sort of Xiaomi. It's BN5A. Xiaomi usually names these batteries like this, but it seems to be bulged or something. It's swelling, and it is punctured right here. I am glad my house didn't burn down. I am definitely throwing this away. This was pretty lucky. And we have another service pack. Okay, what is it for? It seems to be, it's for A13 maybe, the 4G version. I am not sure right now. Yeah, it is for A13 5G. I'm super blind. And it's brand spanking new. Here we have another Samsung display. This one, I'd say it's for A52, Samsung A52. That definitely has to be that. It looks brand new and it is awesome. Just this display, it's actually expensive. It is like 30-40 US dollars or even maybe more expensive. And here we have, oh no, what was that? Here we have iPhone 13 display, but it's ripped right there. And I guess this flex cable connects like this. Okay, that's unfortunate, because I ordered the whole lot just because for this I needed a display for iPhone 13, and it's ripped. In the listing it wasn't ripped, I could see it from the photos, but because it was packaged so poorly, it got destroyed. So that's a shame. We have proximity flex cable for free that isn't ripped, or it's damaged right here, so it's unusable either. But the entire phone lot has compensated for this. Here we have another service pack, and here we can actually see that it is for A40. That's definitely some cheap aftermarket. Holy, look at this chin. Can you see this? That's so crazy. It's literally like half a centimeter. Wow. That looks really cheap. And we have OLED display for Honor 70. Let's pull it out. It's unused and it looks to be fine. It is probably Chinese display, but if it was refurbished, I can't really tell. It looks to be like a really good quality display. The borders are really small. It's definitely soft OLED display. I have to buy the whole phone to test it, so who knows? Wow. It's crazy. And if I peel this, will be there some sort of... Oh, there's a hole for the fingerprint scanner. Wow, that's really cool. I will try to find this phone broken and I will try to repair it. It looks really cool. And that's basically it from the lot. Let's see what we've got. So in total I've got 5 batteries for iPhone, ranging from 5 to a 7 Plus, and we've got a 6 batteries for Samsung. I'd say that's pretty good. Starting with iPhone displays, I've got 4 of them and 1 has broken flex. So in total I've got 3 good working displays. I've got 9 displays for Samsung, 2 are for the A13 5G, some of them are for A13 4G, and 1 is definitely for A52. All of them seem to be original, and I hope they are working fine. And here's the rest. This one is for some sort of Xiaomi, I'm not sure with the model. This one either, and here's the one for the Honor V80. I've definitely got to say this was one of the best deals I have ever gotten on eBay, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, share them in the comment. Bye.